Good morning. I am Sagar Dalvi, batch July 2021. Today's date is 21st of October 2021, and today's video topic for our video is why strings are immutable in Java. Before switching to the actual topic, let's shortly discuss what is meant by string. Normally, or classical literature defines string as a sequence of character, which is called a string. Many languages implemented string in a different way. Some primitive languages implement string as a character array, but Java follow a different path. In Java, string implemented as a object of class string, which is available in a java.lang package. So the next immediate question may come in your mind: why string in Java follow the class object path? The reason is simple. The most commonly used data type in Java project across the programmer fraternity is string. That's why Java gives special treatment to the string object. That's why Java follow the object class path to implement the string. There are two types to create the string. The first one is by using the literal constant, and second one is by using the new keyword. When we create the object by using the literal, then copies get created in the string constant pool, provided that there is no earlier similar type of object. And when we create the object by using the new keyword, then the one copy is get created in the heap memory area, and another copy is get created in a string constant pool, provided that there is no similar object earlier present in the string constant pool. Let's discuss our original topic: why strings are immutable in Java. I would like to explain with the help of example. Let's try to imagine the scenario in Maharashtra. We know that the population of Maharashtra is more than 10 crore, and besides infant or children, and most of them get enrolled in the Aadhaar card. And for every citizen, on the back side, on the Aadhaar card, one field is there, which is the state, and which is common for 10 crore of people. Let's try to imagine, suppose we want to print the address, or we want to get the state of each citizen in Maharashtra. Then there are 10 crore of object for every person. Means huge memory wastage is there. But suppose we have created only one object, and we give the reference of that Maharashtra state string to all 10 crore people. Then we will get huge benefit, because we need to create only one field, and that share among the all 10 crore of people. Means all 10 crore of people having only the reference of only one object. Means in this way we can achieve memory optimization. But here the problem with that, means Java treated a string object in a different way. Means whenever the next people is get to enroll, the new object of state Maharashtra is not get created. Only the reference of already created object is get share among the new citizen. So this is a in this way we can say that Java is again the robust language. We can also SCP, due to SCP we can say that Java is a robust language. But one biggest problem of this, if the object is not immutable, suppose any one person can change his state, then automatically the state of 10 crore people is get automatically changed. In order to prevent this, Java make a string object immutable. How they make a string object immutable? The reason for that is the string class are of the final type, and all the instance variable of that class are of private types. So we cannot inherit that class from the other. And again, due to the speciality of the instance variable, we cannot override that instance variable also. So that's it for today. We will meet you soon. Thank you.